Hey guys, welcome back to Nightmare Medico. So today we're going to discuss about the triceps muscle. So triceps muscle is located at the posterior surface of the humerus bone, right? So first of all, why it is called the triceps muscle? It is called triceps muscle because it is having three heads. This one is called the long head of triceps muscle because you can see it is quite longer, right? Its head is quite longer. Then this one is called as the lateral head of triceps muscle because it is located towards the lateral side. And just beneath the lateral head of triceps muscle, we'll have the medial head of triceps muscle, which is located quite at the medial side, right? So let us discuss about their origin, insertion, and action of the muscles. So this one is the long head of triceps muscle. You can see uh, this is originating from this point. This is the glenoid cavity of the scapula, and this is the inferior portion of the glenoid cavity. So we can say that the long head of triceps muscle originates from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula, and the lateral head of triceps muscle originates from the posterior surface of the humerus bone. To be more specific, we can say that it originates from the oblique ridge of humerus. In our osteology classes, we have studied that in the posterior surface of humerus, out here, we have the oblique ridge, right? So this lateral head of triceps muscle originates from this oblique ridge of the humerus, and the lateral head and the long head, they come together and join to form the tricep tendon. They join to form the tricep tendon. Then this tendon ultimately joins at the ulnar bone. To be more specific, the tendon, this is white one is the tendon, right? This tendon joins at the olecranon process of the ulnar bone. This is the ulnar bone, and this portion is the olecranon process of the ulnar bone. So the triceps muscle, the lateral head and the long head basically joins at the olecranon process of the ulnar bone. Now just beneath the lateral head, I've just removed the lateral head for you. So just beneath the lateral head, we can find this one, the medial head of triceps muscle. And you can see that this medial head of triceps muscle is originating from the spiral groove of the humerus. How I can identify that this is the spiral groove of the humerus? See, this yellow nerve is nothing but the radial nerve. This yellow nerve is nothing but the radial nerve. So we know that the radial nerve bends and passes over the spiral groove, passes through the spiral groove at the posterior surface of humerus. So obviously this portion, there should be the spiral groove of the humerus. So the medial head of the triceps muscle originates from the spiral groove of the humerus, and it also terminates, this is the medial head, it terminates at the olecranon process of the ulna. So basically we can understand that all the triceps muscle, the long head, the lateral head, as well as the medial head, all of them originates from the scapula and humerus, and they terminate at the bone of forearm, that is the olecranon process of the ulna, right? So now we can easily predict the function of the triceps muscle, because let us imagine the origin to be fixed and the insertion to be movable. So imagine a rope from humerus, posterior surface of the humerus, to the posterior surface of ulna, and let the bone contract. So what kind of motion do you expect? From posterior surface of humerus to posterior surface of ulna, and the rope is contracting. So can you see the extension? Can you imagine the extension of the elbow joint? So obviously the main function of triceps muscle is to do the extension of the elbow joint. Apart from that, since the long head of triceps muscle is joined to the scapula, right? So this long head also provides stability to the scapula, and it also helps extension of the shoulder joint, because it is passing, the long head is passing through the shoulder joint, so it also helps in the extension of the shoulder joint. So that's it for the triceps muscle. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.